Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 13th, 2022. Let's talk about Sofi today. And it's making new lows. And it's well within penny stock territory. I know a lot of people have been propping up Sofi. And they're doing some fantastic things. You know, the market is giving us a whole lot of information as to it being transformative and being a new fintech company. And it's going to blow everything out the water. And here it is today. It's drowning underwater. The price of Sofi stock is. I wanted to talk about it today because I did do a price prediction on my last video in Sofi. I wanted us to see how the price act was going to work and see which side of the market is winning. Is it the buyers or the sellers? And I think you guys can see it from the price chart that the sellers are currently winning in Sofi. Now, can we still expect the price to go down? I mean, because eventually it has to stop. The market has to stop going lower eventually, right? Yes, but let's see if it's now. So you guys can see right here. Let me start off with the 2-day price bars in Sofi. You guys can see right here on this 2-day price bar there that we saw a massive spread move to the downside, right? Okay, that signifies that price should continue to go lower. Well, the following 2-day price bars, this one, even this one, price is not going down. So we're definitely noticing some inklings of buyers entering the market in Sofi. Have we hit bottom yet though? That's hard to tell. But we can tell that the buyers are trying to stop the market from going lower. Now, the volume is not really coming through to substantiate that any massive institutions are actually coming in and buying this stock right now. We're not seeing that massive volume come through. So until then, we always need to keep in the forefront that the price in Sofi can go a lot lower than where it is right now, because that's the current direction in Sofi. That is the dominant trend on this price chart, is down. Okay, looking at this on the 5-day chart, and this is another reason why I want us to keep that in the forefront, is because right here on this 5-day price bar there, that's another big spread. Look how wide that spread bar is. It kind of resembles this one, right? Look at this 5-day price bar. Now, we saw the market in Sofi following this massive spread bar down. We saw it come back up slightly, but then only to go back down. We may get that same thing here, only to go back down. So how do you want to view this particular market in Sofi? I know a lot of you are going to say, well, I've been dollar cost averaging ever since the price was up here around $24, and ever since price been going down, I've been buying more and more of it. And that's an automatic signal that I know that you are down in your position, because you follow a whole lot of people telling you all to dollar cost average and buy the dips. And this is the type of scenario that you get when you do that. You are underwater. You don't do that. You just simply keep the money to yourself until the price becomes attractive, until the institutions tell it that they're now entering the market, and then that's when you jump on. They're not here yet. Nobody's really coming in and exemplifying that they're coming in and buying up this stock in Sofi. And another negative connotation is that price is now below this $5 area, the support area. Market definitely is not giving us that bullishness now. We should not be bullish into the market in Sofi. At least we shouldn't even be considering that Sofi is going to go higher until we see the price break back up above this level, period. So if you're looking for a play, this is not one of those markets. This is pretty much going to kind of come down like this. So you guys can see how the volatility, these price bars have been wide. Well, now I'm going to look for the price to kind of just meander until we finally get something to spur the market in Sofi. I'm not looking for anything to really break out in Sofi right now. The market is not showing us that they're anticipating that that's going to happen. It's just a tradable market. Okay, so when you see these particular type of markets in Sofi or any stock, this is kind of like an intraday opportunity, a scalping opportunity where you just buy at $4.30, sell at $5 or $4.80 and get out and move on. Right? So you guys can see it here on the hourly chart that we are seeing some inklings that price is trying to lift, which is cool, but I'm not looking for it to go too far from what we've seen already on the price chart in Sofi. Okay. So let me show you. If I'm looking for price to go up, which I am seeing it, it might just run up here to 450, which is only like 1.5%. My second price target would be there around 460, which is around 3.88. And then my third would be there around 470, which is like 6%. Like that's pretty much what we're looking at in terms of what can we obtain from price movement in SoFi right now. Maybe 6.5% at most until we actually see a change occur in the price bars, which we don't really see right now. Okay, so I'm not going to drop a price prediction in the market in SoFi yet. I just wanted you all to know what to kind of expect going forward. We really need to see market break this to the upside. Until then, just expect, the meager 3% move, 2% move, 2% higher, 2% down, maybe ultimately 6% high, and market will begin to come back down. There's just nothing here in terms of volatility that we can actually come through and make some bread. So I'm not going to drop another price prediction for SoFi. Sometimes there's nothing there. You got to find opportunities elsewhere, which there's definitely opportunities out in the market. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. There's always a play. You just got to find it. Let me know which play you're looking at. Hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more simplistic content as to what we're looking at in terms of these stocks. Where's the opportunity? I got you. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.